Can a flat piece of paper become a box? Let's find out how nets become 3D shapes. A net is a flat pattern that folds into a solid. This cross has 6 squares, so it folds into a cube. A pyramid net has triangles around a base. A prism net has rectangles between 2 matching ends. Common mistake: not every arrangement of 6 squares folds into a cube. Check for overlapping faces. Remember, count the faces on the net, that's how many the solid has. Flat folds to fat. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.